Starbucks spent millions rolling out an AI inventory system across 11,000 stores. This company said it was 8 times faster than humans and 99% accurate. And in the very first video they made to show it off, right? The AI missed a bottle of syrup sitting right there on the half shelf. 9 months later, Starbucks told every store to go back and counting inventory by hand. AI could not tell milk type apart. It was skipping items done. What's up, everyone? Welcome back to ZUDAKO and Starbucks. Just start because right now the biggest AI tech companies in the world are quietly walking back everything they promised about AI over the last 2 years. Cancelled data centers, rehired workers, massive lawsuits, and many more things. Right. So let's get into it. Let's start with Microsoft. In January 2025, uh, they promised to spend $80 billion on AI data centers in 1 year. 1 month later, analysts found that Microsoft had already cancelled data center projects worth over 2 gigawatts of capacity. They walked away from land that was already under construction, and Satya Nadella himself later admitted there will be too much AI infrastructure built. Goldman Sachs warned that this looks a lot like the dot-com bubble, where the technology was real, but companies still lost trillions because nobody figured how to make money from it. Right now, here's the best part. uh, Here's the part that really tells the story. Companies that fired people to replace them with AI are now hiring those people back. Uh, Klarna's CEO announced in 2024 that their AI was going do the work for 700 full-time customer service employees. They cut their workforce from 7,000 people down to 3,000. 15 months later, he told Bloomberg that the AI push had destroyed their customer service quality. They were too focused on cutting cost. Klarna is now hiring people again. Duolingo declared itself AI first in April 2025 and started removing contractors. The backlash was so big that by April 2026, the CEO fully reversed, removing AI requirements from performance reviews and saying, if AI cannot help you do your job, I am not going to force it. Right? Salesforce said AI helped them cut their customer support team from 9,000 people to 5,000 employees. Then, just months later, Mark announced uh, they were hiring 1,000 new graduates, apparently forgetting everything he said before. But even the companies still using AI internally are burning money fast. Uber said 95% of their engineers use AI tools every month and 70% of their code is AI generated. But they burned through their entire 2026 AI budget in just 4 months, right? And they admitted there is no clear connection between all that AI usage and actually building better products. The money is going off, money is going out, and the result are not coming, right? An unnamed company gave thousands of employees and unlimited access to AI tools with no spending limit. They run up to $500 million bill in single month. MIT research found that 95% of enterprise AI projects deliver zero measurable return on investment, right? And the people who build this technology are now changing their own story. Sam Altman spent 2 years saying, "I, that AI would replace nearly half of all work tasks very soon." Then, at a conference in Sydney, he said he was delighted to be wrong. He admitted his predictions were just off. Dario Amodei from Anthropic said AI could eliminated half of all entry-level jobs within 5 years. Now he says AI expands what people do, not replace them. Ray Dalio, who runs the world's largest hedge funds, said we are clearly in an AI bubble right now. And Jamie Dimon said AI companies are massively overvalued and a crash is possible. The legal problems are real too. A Pizza Hut, franchisee with around 100 plus locations, 111 that type of number, sued for hundreds $1 million after the mandated AI system made delivery slower, not faster. On-time delivery dropped from 90% to 50%. Sales went from positive double digit to nearly negative 10%. Air Canada lost a court case after their uh, chatbot made up a policy that did not exist. Builder.ai, a $1 billion startup backed by Microsoft, collapsed after it turned out humans were doing most of the work the AI was supposed to be doing. Right? Here's the simple truth: AI is a powerful tool, but the idea that it would replace everyone, save billions, and need zero human input, that idea is falling apart. And the CEOs who promised that are very quietly hoping you forget. But now you know, right? If you like this video, so subscribe ZUDAKO, and we are posting daily AI updates and daily AI news on this channel. So if you want to be updated on the world of AI, so please subscribe this channel, and I will see you in the next video. So thank you so much for watching. Thank you.